Accessories: multimeter instruction manual watch pen packing box. DC voltage measurement. Resistance MEASUREMENTPLACE, the stylus on both sides to measure. Diode MEASUREMENTPLACE, the stylus on both sides to measure. When the buzzer is detected, a drip drip beep is emitted. CAPACITANCEPLACE, the stylus on the capacitance for measurement. ACVOLTAGEWHEN measuring. Insert the measuring pen into the hole to measure. NCV detection, when close to the insertion, will emit a drip, drip sound. Zero fire detection, insert the red pen into the hole. DCCURRENTTHE current at work can be measured by placing the watch pen in the corresponding position. AC current measurement, MA.